cracking the code of dairy processing, ensuring compliance, cleanability, and efficiency. Today we'll be focusing on critical aspects of dairy processing. Joining us is Mike Zeliff, Product Manager for Hapman, sharing insights on why compliance, cleanability, material selection, and efficiency are vital to the success of any dairy operation. Let's dive in. So let's talk about compliance. You've likely heard of FDA, USDA, and 3A standards, but what do these acronyms truly mean for dairy processors?
These standards are more than acronyms. They represent tangible design and manufacturing requirements that keep dairy products safe and maintain consumer trust. Adhering to FDA, USDA, or 3A criteria means eliminating harborage points, simplifying cleaning, and ensuring no cracks or crevices exist where bacteria can thrive. If your equipment doesn't meet these stringent guidelines, you risk not only regulatory hurdles, but also potential harm to your brand's reputation. In dairy, consistent quality and safety aren't optional. They're the foundation of success.
Next up, cleanability. Now this might sound like a housekeeping chore, but in dairy processing it's practically an art form. What exactly makes equipment more cleanable?
Cleanability is at the core of effective dairy processing. Equipment featuring continuous welds, polished finishes, radius corners, and tri-clamp connections greatly reduces the risk of contamination. These design elements make cleaning quicker and more thorough, helping to maintain sanitary conditions and improve overall productivity. In a fast-paced production environment, the less time you spend wrestling with inaccessible parts, the better your operations run, and the safer your products remain.
Moving on, equipment selection can either supercharge your operations or bog them down. How does the right material handling equipment drive efficiency, productivity, and cut waste?
When equipment is chosen with both your facility's layout and the overall process in mind, the impact on efficiency can be remarkable. Well-selected handling systems minimize dust generation, are easier to maintain, and drastically reduce downtime. That means fewer process interruptions, a lower risk of product loss, and ultimately, a better bottom line. Plus, every stage in the production chain becomes more coordinated, preventing bottlenecks that can lead to wasted time and resources.
Finally, what materials are best practice for dairy applications, and why do they matter?
Stainless steel, particularly 304L or 316L, is often the gold standard in dairy settings. It's durable, easy to sanitize, and can be polished to meet strict regulatory finish requirements. This resilience is key when equipment must withstand routine chemical washdowns and high-temperature cleaning. Investing in higher-grade stainless steel may feel like a significant expense at first, but it pays dividends in product safety, longevity, and overall operational stability. As we wrap up, remember that equipment compliance, cleanability, and material choice aren't just theoretical ideals. They directly affect your bottom line and brand reputation. By investing in top-tier design and following the highest sanitary standards, you're investing in the very future of your operation. Hapman is proud to be the only manufacturer of flexible screw conveyors currently listed by the USDA for dairy-grade applications. This distinction underscores our commitment to providing solutions that meet and often exceed the strictest safety and sanitation requirements in the dairy industry.